Welcome back to Key to Keys. Thank you for clicking on my video. And today we're going to talk about this little wig and see how I installed it, okay? This wig comes from premiumlacewig.com. Y'all will not believe the price I bought it for. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the price. I'm just gonna get into this and y'all just gonna find out. But usually premium lace wig, they send a pretty little box, and in the box you would get the wig inside this cute pink little bag, and then they give you like a wig cap, bobby pins, and some clips. I was like using them, so I don't even know where any of those are. But and they give you like an elastic band to put on the back of your wig, like if it doesn't fit. But they stepping up their little game, okay? So the bag that they usually give you is this one. Don't mind my drugstore nails, like I said before. Is that one, and they gave me this one. Usually like the bags are empty, but like when they give you this one, they put all the little goodies on the inside. So yeah, it comes with a little baggie. Let me open it up. It's like this. Oh, it smells like plastic. I don't like smelling plastic. But this is so cute. You could use it as a little bag to carry your makeup in. I mean, I have a travel makeup bag, which is the bad boy, but I need to downsize, so. All right, so keep watching so you can see me slay this wig. Okay, so I already had my stocking cap on and it's already glued down. I'm just gonna apply some foundation to the stocking cap so that it matches my skin more. So when I put the lace on top of it, of course it's gonna look see-through like my scalp. I'm gonna make sure that I brush it like further back as far as like the lace does go. You don't want to like brown in one part and then white in another part. All right, so now I'm just gonna put that wig on, and this is the part where you're just seeing where your hairline will match up. I want to go just a little bit further than that wig cap. The hair is wet because I did like shampoo it so that it can be nice and fresh. I'm gonna blow it out later on. I'm gonna comb the hair back and just clip it so that it doesn't interfere with the lace after I spray it down. Next, I cut flaps so that it's just easier for me to cut section by section of my hairline. I'm gonna start with the ears. This is the part where you need to just cut for comfortability. You want it to be comfortable while sitting on your head. You don't want the lace to be like overlapping your ear. Hair is gonna come out obviously, but you don't really need it. You won't miss it. All right, it's time to lay this bad boy down. So I'm using my Got2be spray. It is gonna run, so you want to like catch it. Afterwards we're gonna clean up the face anyway. Then I use a blow dryer just to dry it just enough that it's tacky. You don't want to dry it too much because then it won't stick, but you want to get it sticky. You don't want to use your fingers to press down your lace because the oils from your fingers is gonna keep the lace from sticking to the hairspray. So you want to use like the rat tail comb, or like, I don't know if you got scissors or something. And I just go along my hairline where I sprayed and I press the lace down into my skin. And then I'm gonna comb back that hair, just ensuring that all parts of the lace is down. You know, you're gonna wrap it up. I usually leave my scarf on for like 10 minutes, but if I'm styling my hair, I just leave it on until I'm done styling my hair. Alright, so everything is all dry. I just cut the lace as close as possible to my edges. That's why I brushed it back in the beginning, so that when it was time to cut, it was really easy for me to just see where I needed to go along. Alright, so for my edges, I comb out along my hairline. And as you can see, like, I can definitely go back in and pluck some more. After I comb both sides of the hairline, I go back in and I kind of do like a squiggle line to kind of get like a more natural looking hairline. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna comb that back. For these baby hairs, they look pretty long now, but I'm gonna go back in and cut them even shorter. You don't want baby hairs to be like reach into your ear. For this wig, I used the Gorilla Snot just to lay it down. I'm kind of iffy when it comes to edge control on wigs. Just a little bit goes a long way. And then a trick I have is that you spray your comb with hairspray and it helps with flyaways. I wanted the hair in the front to be like very like sharp and pressed down, so I just sprayed and combed some of it back. Again, I'm gonna go with my scarf, let my edges dry and straight. Off camera, I was combing and then flat ironing with the chase method. I ended up not liking my edges, so I combed it out and I'm gonna redo them. But this is the most important part with a curling iron, or if you have a hot comb, flattening the top of your hair before you re-flat iron the front would give it that nice flat look. So I ended up going back in and tweezing my edges just to make it look more natural. I can probably go back in and tweeze even deeper away from the hairline. It gives it just like a natural ponytail look. If you pulled it back and brushed it back, would it look natural? And that's it. I really loved this bob stiff wear. It's super silky Brazilian straight bob from Premium Lace Wig. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Leave comments below if you really like this wig and you want to know more details about it. Also, like ideas for next videos that you guys want to see. I want to get into some challenges. I can tell you that the next couple videos are going to be wigs and maybe makeup, but I might have a surprise coming for y'all soon. Last thing I want to say, I'm gonna do a raffle because the next year is coming up pretty soon. I love planners and I love planning, and I just so happened to buy 2 of these planners. So I'm going to, I'm going to give a special subscriber this planner in the mail if they can bring me the most subscribers to my page. Okay, thank you. Come back to watch Kita King.